Going to round off a nice Fragrance World series. It's called the Imperium series. Now, as you can remember, I did the first 2 Imperium reviews. This is the original. Beautiful fragrance, nice bottle, spray is beautiful. The smell is just marvelous. Nice zesty openings to it, fresh, nice summery fragrance. Then I brought you the Imperium Intense, beautiful fragrance as well. Softer opening, but longer lasting and more intense when it dries down. Stunning fragrance. It's just a beautiful fragrance. Now the last one, I hope not the last one, but the last one in the series that's available at this stage is called Imperium X. Now this is also a very nice, sophisticated, leathery, boozy and tobacco-y fragrance, but also with a nice, beautiful, zesty, fruity fragrance into it. This fragrance is a bit on the, let's call it the more mature side of the series. The other 2 is nice youngster fragrances or younger fragrances, youthful fragrances with a zesty, aquatic and beautiful long-lasting projection notes to it. But the Imperium X is actually, it tends to go there, but this is a more sophisticated, nice spray to it. You do get the mandarin, you do get the bergamot, you do get the lemon to it. But then you get your cedar, jasmine, and a beautiful sweet pineapple on this fragrance. But it's a nice, boozy, leather, and woody fragrance. Now, the base on this, the dry down on this fragrance, you've got amber, you've got cypress, cashmere, leather, musk, rum, and tobacco. Now, this is a very nice, whole lot of different notes in one fragrance, and it just rounds off so nice. It's just, guys, it's a fragrance that you spray in the beginning and like, yeah, it's just like the other 2, but it's not. It dries down so nice, and the booziness, but the leather, the tobacco and all that with the fresh fruit that comes together as well, it's just marvelous. It's honestly, it's a beautiful fragrance. Nice green bottle towards the other blue and light blue bottle, but very nice, guys. Longevity on this with all those base notes is going to be over 7 hours, and that's on skin. It's more than enough that you need. You spray it on the mornings, go out to work, have your meetings, all that, and even in gym afterwards you'll still smell it when you start sweating or perforating. But this lovely fragrance, and this is also a dupe for Roja called Apex. I'll put a picture down for you as well. Guys, I'm impressed with the whole series. Imperium, Fragrance World outdone themselves very nice with these 3 bottles. Lovely 3 bottles, lovely juice, but they smell